What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Kevin on Cars. My name is Kevin, and today we have a FRS to review. So as a car channel, of course, we gotta review the legendary FRS. So it's one of the most popular first sports car for a lot of people, and I actually never test drove one at all. So today will be my first time driving it, and I will give you guys my perspective on how this car performs and drives. So yeah, let's first start with the exterior, and then I'll be going over a few mods that the owner has done to this car. So walking around the exterior, you see this car is in a beautiful white color, and under the sun it has like a flare to it. Looks very nice. And then so from the front, the owner has this tow hook here because she actually tracks this car around SoCal tracks. And to track this car, she has modified the tires to a beefy 245/40/17 tires. And then they are the best tires, which is the Pilot Sport 4S's. And as you can see, this has done a lot of track work. And then she also has this Apex wheel installed. I really like the bronze. It's very JDM looking color. And then of course you have the sticker to show that this is your car on the track, and some other few cute stickers here. So yeah. And oh yeah, I think another mod is the exhaust right here. It has a titanium tip, I think, because it's like turning purple and blue. And then we'll see how this sounds later. Here's the key. Let's put it into neutral so we don't stall it. There's the startup. Alright, first time driving a manual for a while. Let's hope I don't stall it. So handbrakes down. Feel the clutch. Oh, the clutch is really easy. Very nice and easy. Oh, that's really nice. Very beginner friendly, I'll say. For sure. Let me get the windows down so you can hear some sound. Oh, that sounds really nice. Not sure what exhaust this has, but I'll ask the owner once we get back. So let's see how this first gear. Yeah, this car is definitely not fast, but the manual is really nice to shift around, I have to say. Oh wow, it really sticks to the road. The traction light is flashing a little bit. I can feel it kicking in. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, handling's amazing. Handling's amazing. The initial turn-in is very sharp, and compared to like any front-wheel drive cars, this doesn't have understeer. But on that first run, honestly, it's what they say. This car is not really, if you're trying to go fast on a straight line, this is definitely not the car. But this definitely gives you the driving experience that's very similar to my Boxster. So let's see how this corners. Another downshift. You can feel the traction. Yep. It's like the tail just goes with like you control this car with the throttle. If you wanted to oversteer a little bit in corner, you can easily do that. See some heel toe. Damn, still got it. Like this car, you're not driving fast at all, but you have the illusion of driving fast. And I mean, this is what a sports car is all about. Let's get all the adrenaline running. For like used now, you can probably get one for 15 to 20K. And then I can't really think of a lot of better cars than this. Its main competition is the Miata. And I would say if you want more practicality, this is the car to get. But for this price range, if you want a fun car, you're most likely gonna get a front-wheel drive car. But then a front-wheel drive car, although it's really fun and it can be really fast, like if you get the GTI or the Civic Type R, or like some Civic, maybe not the Type R at this range, but you don't really get the front end field. Oh, as I was saying, the GTI there. And you can't really control the rear with your throttle. You have more degree of control with the wheels powering the motor powering the back wheels. And another thing is the modding community for this car specifically and the VRZ is huge. You can get any parts you want, and if you just go into a forum or get into their Facebook group, you can just ask any question about this car. Anyways, that's the review of the Scion FRS. This is definitely as fun as they all say it was. And the most impressive thing is really the value you get for this car. Like this owner, you can easily just spend another 2 or 3 grand, get some tires, get some pads, and you have yourself a very fun and capable track car that you can learn on. But its main drawback, I'll say, is the power. Everything else is perfect, but just the power. Like even in first gear, you're really not really going anywhere with this car, and especially if you're going uphill. But obviously, you could modify the powertrain by getting a header or some tunes or a turbocharged, supercharged. You have literally all the options. So that's pretty much it for today's review about the FRS. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, drive safe, have fun. See you guys next time. Goodbye, as I'm following this beautiful Miata in front of us.